Keeping your bathroom clean can be laborious, but having the right cleaner on hand is a big help. In this review, the Ranks Reviews team researched the 5 best bathroom cleaners on Amazon to help you find the one that's right for you. In this video, I tell you what you need to consider to make the best choice. Then, building on that, we'll show you 5 best bathroom cleaning accessories. That way, you can make sure you're getting your money's worth. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1. Wet and Forget Shower Cleaner. We were initially skeptical of the Wet and Forget Weekly Shower Cleaner's giant jug of a bottle, but quickly came to like it. While lugging around a jug may seem more difficult than a smaller bottle, its spray head is connected to the main jug by a very long retractable tube. This design lets you hold the jug in one hand, giving the other full range of motion. It was actually more lightweight than a traditional spray bottle, as the arm doing all the moving and spritzing isn't encumbered by water weight. Innovative bottle design aside, the Wet and Forget Weekly Shower Cleaner performed excellently on our tests, scrubbing stains off glass without major streaking and getting the grime out of grout with only an additional swipe or two compared to the top performers. Those sensitive to smells will be pleased to note this was the one cleaner we tried that seemed to be completely scentless, whereas every other cleaner on this list had at least a mild scent. Number 2. Soft Scrub Gel with Bleach Cleaner. Soft Scrub Gel Cleanser with bleach has good cleaning power, melting away the overwhelming majority of our test stains in a single swipe, with only a few follow-ups needed to rid the rest. It is not as good with glass as some other options on this list, but we were still able to get the glass spotless with very little effort. The main issue we have with this cleaner is its squeeze bottle. Whereas spray bottles are much easier to apply to a specific area for spot cleaning, you just can't do that with a squeeze bottle. Picture trying to apply soap to a smudge with a ketchup bottle. Unless you're aiming to clean the entire wall and start squirting soap at the top, you may prefer to apply the soap directly to your cleaning cloth or sponge instead. Though not the only cleaner on this list that uses bleach, this soft scrub is very good at not smelling like it uses bleach. We thought its smell was relatively mild and nowhere near as pungent as other bleach-based cleaners we tested. Number 3. Kaboom Foam-Tastic Bathroom Cleaner. The Kaboom Foam-Tastic Bathroom Cleaner with OxiClean came in a relatively close second in our testing. The lightweight can is easy to hold and use, and we loved how the thick foam spray clung to surfaces without dripping, making spot cleaning a breeze. Those who don't like cleaners with an overwhelming floral bouquet will also be pleased. Kaboom's pleasant, mild scent is just enough to remind you it's there. In terms of raw cleaning power, we did have to use slightly more elbow grease with the Kaboom than we did with our winner, but not that much. On average, it only took a few additional swipes to get rid of difficult stains. What the Kaboom lacks in stain scouring strength, however, it makes up for in value. It only costs 20 cents per ounce, compared to the average price per ounce, 27 cents. It's also less than half as expensive as the most costly cleaner we tested. That means it packs the most punch for its price out of every product we tested. Number 4. BioClean Hard Water Stain Remover 20.3 ounces. The safest and most effective way to restore your surfaces stained with hard water. BioClean Products is the original hard water spot remover that actually works. It outperforms any other cleaner. The result of a spotless and renewed surface. Bring your previously stained areas back to life. Clean, seal, and maintain with this kit. BioClean's unique formula can remove years of built-up water spots and mineral stain. This professional strength cleaner is recommended for use in hospitals, nursing homes, manufacturing plants, hotels, and public facilities. Used by cleaning professionals and auto detailing. It can also remove stubborn stains caused by limescale, phosphorus, calcium, iron, acid rain, and paint overspray. Use on shower doors, windows, tubs, and shower pans. Remove hard minerals from brick and concrete. Great for tile and grout cleaning. All-in-one all-purpose cleaner. Remove heavy stains, heavy spots, severe spots, heavy limescale etched in hard water, build-up limescale, and rust. BioClean effectively removes water spot stains, mineral deposits, soap scum, mildew, rust, tree sap, paint overspray, oxidation deposits. Shower doors, chrome, windshields, tile, fiberglass, porcelain, windows, boats, glass surfaces, hard vinyl, stainless steel, corian, anodized brass, aluminum pots and pans. Safe to use on pools, aquariums, and Number 5. Lysol Bathroom Cleaner, best for tough stains. If you are looking for an instant cleaning agent, you should consider the Lysol Bathroom Cleaner Spray. This fast-action foaming spray makes cleaning bathroom surfaces faster and easier than ever. It dissolves the toothpaste spatter, soap scum, and mildew odors wherever it is sprayed. You don't have to apply and scrub on the tough stains. Instead, let the foam sit on them for 20 to 30 seconds and clean it off. You can apply this cleaning agent on bathtubs, tiles, shower doors, countertops, floors, and sinks. It is a deep cleaning solution that kills 99.9% of bathroom germs and bacteria and takes less than a minute to loosen stuck dirt and grime on surfaces. Unlike other cleaners, the nozzle stays mess-free and allows you to spray around easily. And, for added safety, this product has no abrasives or bleach, so it doesn't cause harm to your skin or eyes. Also, no gloves are required when using this bathroom cleaner because of its mild formula. Selecting the best item from a group of choices is a difficult job. You can easily purchase these products and say bye to all your worries. If you need more information and if you know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.